your SCHUFA score. Where does SCHUFA affect your life? SCHUFA stands for Schutzgemeinschaft for. Now the SCHUFA system uses a point scale from 100 to 999, base 642 to 708, acceptable. Now let's go deep into the 12 official factors that make up your SCHUFA score. Here is a quick summary of all 12 factors. 1. Payment. Hey everyone, welcome to VConnect Germany. I'm Visakha, and if you're new here, this channel is your go-to guide for everything you need to live, work and grow financially in Germany. Today we are talking about one of the most important topics for anyone living here, your SCHUFA score. We will explain what it is, how the scoring actually works, including all 12 official factors, how to check it using a free app called Bonify, how to improve it, and at the end I'll tell you how VConnect Germany can personally help you with insurance, loans and investments. Stay until the end because it could save you real money. Let's go! What is SCHUFA? Let's start from the very beginning. SCHUFA stands for Schutzgemeinschaft for Allgemeine Kreditsicherung. In simple English, it's called Germany's main credit reporting agency. SCHUFA was founded in 1927 and today holds financial data on over 67 million people in Germany. If you live here, they almost certainly have a file on you. SCHUFA collects data from banks, telecom companies, online shops and lenders. It uses this data to calculate a score that tells businesses one simple thing: how likely is the person to pay their bills? The higher your score, the more financially trustworthy you appear, and that matters a lot in everyday German life. Where does SCHUFA affect your life? You might be wondering, okay, but where exactly does SCHUFA come up? The answer is almost everywhere. When you apply to rent an apartment, landlords check your SCHUFA. When you apply for a loan or credit card, banks check your SCHUFA. When you sign a mobile phone contract, telecom providers check it too. When you apply for financing or installment purchases, retailers check it. A bad score doesn't just mean higher interest rates, it can mean complete rejection. No apartment, no loan, no contracts. This is why understanding and protecting your SCHUFA score is absolutely essential in Germany. Here is something very exciting. SCHUFA completely overhauled its scoring system in 2026. Before, the old system was a black box. Nobody knew exactly how the score was calculated. Now the SCHUFA system uses a point scale from 100 to 999 based on 12 transparent criteria. Score rating, what it means: 776 to 999, excellent, very strong, lowest risk. 709 to 775, good, high approval chances. 642 to 708, acceptable, moderate. Some conditions may apply. 100 to 641, low, may face rejections. The closer you are to 999, the better. Now let's go deep into the 12 official factors that make up your SCHUFA score. Understanding these is your secret weapon to protecting and improving your financial life in Germany. Factor 1. Payment disruptions. Zahlungsstörungen. This is the most heavily weighted factor in the entire system. It includes unpaid bills sent to debt collection, court judgments for unpaid debts or insolvency. Even one serious disruption can dramatically crash your score. The golden rule: never let your bill go to collections. If you are struggling, contact the creditor directly and arrange a payment plan before it escalates. Factor 2. Age of your oldest bank account. Ältestes Bankkonto. The longer you have a bank account in Germany, the better. This is why we always advise newcomers open a German bank account on day 1, even if you don't use it much. Every year, it can stay open, adds positively to your score. Factor 3. Age of your oldest credit card. Älteste Kreditkarte. The older your credit card history in Germany, the better. A credit card held for 5+ years with clean on-time payments is a strong positive signal. If you're new to Germany, get a basic credit card early, use it for small purchases and pay it off every month. Factor 4. Age of your current address. Aktuelle Adresse. How long you have been living at your current registered address. Your Meldeadresse. Frequent moves signal instability. SCHUFA rewards people who stay at one address longer. If you recently moved, don't worry. This recovers naturally over time. Factor 5. Bank account enquiries. Bankkonto Anfragen. Every time you apply for a new bank account, SCHUFA registers this as an enquiry. Too many bank applications in a short period can negatively impact your score. Be strategic, choose your bank carefully and stick with it. Factor 6. No bank enquiries. Nicht Banken Anfragen. This covers credit checks made by telecom companies, online retailers and leasing providers. Every new mobile phone contract or installment shopping application gets locked. Don't apply for multiple contracts at the same time. Space them out over several months. Factor 7. Number of credit cards. Anzahl der Kreditkarten. SCHUFA looks at how many credit cards you currently hold. 1 or 2 well-managed credit cards, perfectly fine, even positive. But holding many credit cards, especially unused ones, raises a red flag. Close credit cards you no longer use. Factor 8. Number of bank accounts. Anzahl der Bankkonten. Similar logic, SCHUFA counts how many bank accounts you have. Multiple bank accounts spreads across many banks with low or no activity can slightly hurt your score. Keep your banking consolidated and active. Factor 9. Number of installment loans. Anzahl der Ratenkredite. This looks at how many active installment loans you currently have. Car loans, personal loans, finance purchases. One manageable loan repaid on time is actually positive. It proves you can handle credit responsibly. Factor 10. Number of address changes. Anzahl der Umzüge. SCHUFA doesn't just look at where you live now, it counts how many times you have moved in total. More moves in your history equals a lower score. If you have moved frequently for study or work, be patient. This improves as your life stabilizes. Factor 11. Age of your oldest installment loan. Ältester Ratenkredit. Just like credit cards and bank accounts, the age of your oldest loan matters. A long history of successful repaid loan is one of the strongest trust signals you can send to SCHUFA. Even a fully repaid old loan continues to help your score positively. Factor 12. Mail, order and buy now, pay later accounts. Versandhandelskosten. This one surprises many people. Every time you register with an online shopping platform that offers installment payment options like buy now, pay later on fashion or electronics websites, SCHUFA locks it. Too many of these accounts, especially with open balances, can drag your score down. Only open buy now, pay later accounts if you truly need them and always pay off promptly. Here's a quick summary of all 12 factors. 1. Payment disruptions, highest negative impact. Number 2, age of oldest bank account, longer is better. Age of oldest credit card, longer is better. 4, age of current address stability, rewarded. 5, bank account inquiries, negative if too many. 6, no bank inquiries, negative if too many. 7, number of credit cards, negative if too many. 8, number of bank accounts, negative if too many. 9, number of installments, loan manageable is fine. Number 10, number of address changes, negative if too many. Number 11, age of oldest installment loan, longer history is better. Number 12, mail order or buy now, pay later accounts, negative if too many. Now, this is where it gets really practical. Did you know there is a free app where you can check your SCHUFA score anytime? It is called Bonify and it is officially owned by SCHUFA itself. SCHUFA purchased Bonify in late 2022 and turned it into their official consumer transparency platform. Today, Bonify has over 1.1 million registered users in Germany. Here is what Bonify offers you completely for free. View your real-time SCHUFA score anytime on your phone or computer. How to check your SCHUFA score for free? You have two easy options. Option 1, Bonify app. Go to bonify.de, free, instant and fully digital. Option 2, official Daten copy. Go to meinschufa.de and request for free annual data copy by post. When you receive your data, check carefully or errors or outdated information. If something is wrong, you have the legal right to dispute and correct it. Many people find errors in their file without even knowing it. So please check at least once a year. And now, how to improve your SCHUFA score? If your SCHUFA score is not where you want it to be, here are the most effective steps. Pay every bill and installment on time. Set up automatic payments if needed. Close unused credit accounts or store cards you no longer use. Avoid multiple loan or contract applications in a short time frame. Stay at one address as long as possible. Open a German bank account early and maintain it consistently. Use the Bonify app for personalized tips based on your real SCHUFA data. Limit your buy now, pay later accounts. Always pay them off quickly. Building a strong SCHUFA score takes time, but these habits will absolutely get you there. Understanding your SCHUFA score and using Bonify is just the beginning. The real question is, what do you do next with your financial life in Germany? This is exactly where VConnect Germany comes in. We are not just a YouTube channel, we are your personal financial guidance partner, helping you make the right decisions for insurance, loans and investments in your language with your situation in mind. So there you have it, SCHUFA fully explained, all 12 scoring factors, how to use Bonify to take control of your score, and a clear picture of how VConnect Germany supports your entire financial journey here. We are here for every single step. Click the link in the below description to book a free consultation with our team. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video. Drop your questions in the comments below. I personally read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Visaka from VConnect Germany. See you in the next video. Cheers!